How to mount the clutch. You have to check where the woodruff key is. It's this one here. And the groove in the inner part of the clutch. You put it over each other. Yeah. And then you move the primary a little bit and it falls in. That was it. Now mounting it. First the washer with the tooth. Teeth of course. Then we don't use the old crown screw, we use a new one. You don't need a special tool for that, you just need a 14 or 15 nut for it. No. Add some screw adhesive and put it in. Put in one screw of the clutch cover. Chop. And then you need a torque key. Set it to 45 to 60. I always use 60. So. Clean the screw lock. Take out the screw. Put in the clutch plate. Then the clutch cover. You need, damn, what was the word? Forgot. We'll put it in later. Screws. And for the lazy ones like me, 0, 1, 2, 3. Tightening by hand. That was it. Cheers, guys. Fine Austrian wine. 2 separating tests for a clutch. Now the clutch is empty. The linings and the plates are not in the basket. The first separation test. And test it turn like that. Done. Now we fill the basket. That's a 10-inch basket. CNC machined for Honda plates. The last lining does not have any coating on the outside. Need to put it like that. And then comes the stronger circlip instead of classic thin one that likes to jump out. Yeah, and here we do have the second one. The basket is full, the linings are inside, the plates, and it has to turn like that.